Hello, today we'll guide you through the process of adding a 1098T form on TurboTax. To begin, open TurboTax and navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type 1098T into the search bar and select the option that says Jump to 1098T. TurboTax will then prompt you to confirm. If you received a 1098T form, click Yes to proceed. You will then be asked if you were working towards a degree, to which you should also click Yes. Next, indicate whether you were a full-time or part-time student and click Continue. TurboTax will provide you with two options. You can either upload the 1098T form from your computer or take a picture of it using your phone. Choose your preferred method, upload or take a picture of your 1098T form, and TurboTax will guide you through entering the required information. Once you have uploaded the form and provided all necessary details, you will have successfully added your 1098T form to TurboTax. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.